In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sprint planning in Monday.com fast and easy. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just looking for a streamlined approach to managing your agile processes, this guide will help you get started quickly. So let's dive right in. First, we want to create a sprint board. This board will act as a central hub for all the tasks and activities you plan to accomplish during your sprint cycle. In Monday.com, navigate to the main dashboard and look for the Add New button. From here, you can choose to create a new board. Think of this board as your workspace for all things related to the sprint. You can name it something like Current Sprint or anything that aligns with your team's naming conventions. Structuring this board thoughtfully is important, as it will anchor all your efforts and facilitate straightforward navigation for everyone involved. Next, you'll want to add tasks from your backlog. Your backlog is essentially a list of tasks that have been identified but not yet started. You can easily visualize this as a pipeline of work that feeds into each sprint cycle. To move tasks onto your sprint board, simply drag and drop them from the backlog list. If you don't have a clear backlog, take a few moments to create one by identifying tasks using input from your team and any prior planning notes you may have. A defined and prioritized backlog helps ensure that you are focusing on the most pressing tasks, setting your team up for success. Now it's time to assign owners and set deadlines for each task. Having clear ownership over tasks not only enhances accountability, but also ensures clarity in execution. Select each task card on your sprint board and look for the options to assign team members. Don't forget to check everyone's workload to make sure tasks are distributed evenly and no one is overwhelmed. After assigning, set a reasonable deadline. Consider the complexity of the task and the typical pace of your team to set realistic timelines that your team can commit to. Finally, to effectively track your sprint's progress, utilize the Kanban view on Monday.com. The Kanban view is a fantastic visual tool that allows you to see the status of each task at a glance. You can track tasks as they move from in progress to completed, providing a satisfying overview of accomplishments. This will not only help you monitor progress, but also identify any bottlenecks or roadblocks as they arise. By regularly updating the status in this view, you maintain transparency and encourage team communication. And that's it. You now have everything in place to conduct efficient and productive sprint planning in Monday.com. Using this setup not only simplifies the process, but also enhances team collaboration and productivity. Remember, adaptability is key, so feel free to tweak your approach as you learn what works best for your team. Happy planning, and I'll see you in the next video.